This is a quick craft idea. This jar, let me show you how decorative it is around the top, was originally from a seasoning. And so instead of throwing it out, I always like to recycle, reuse, and repurpose. I got a little cute bag when I went shopping. I cut out part of it, put it around the jar with some simple glue. And you could always decoupage it, but I wanted to make it so that I could write on it and put something on the label if I had to. So this is such an easy way to take a simple jar and now you can use it for anything else. And again, this would make a great container for a gift. So if you have any special seasoning or special recipe that you like, you can attach it to the recipe card to the jar with this little ribbon. Put the name of the recipe on a label and put some of the key, maybe your secret ingredients inside the jar. And then they can just sprinkle it out. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.